Alright, monkeys. I got the finger painter. I don't know how. I just do. Next, right here, you can see it right there. I don't know if you can see actually, but we're doing only up. I got mods now. I'm gonna just cut this part to the finger painter part and tell you guys something on the way. When no, I got a new fuddy dumb monkey. I'll cut this part when I get to the snowman. Yep, yeah, that's all I had to say. So, yeah, read this and pause the video if you. Oh, I thought this was bouncy. They're not. I thought that was bouncy, bro. I don't feel comfortable like this. I don't feel comfortable. Y'all hear stuff about. If you guys hear girls in the back of background in the background, this is my sisters. Just don't listen to them. Oh my god! Come on! Okay. Oh my god! Okay. Oh my lordy lord! This is scary. Okay, we're almost. Wait a minute. If I go outside like, if I reach all the way up there, is there gonna be more, bro? My head is about to die in a couple minutes, bro. I feel comfortable. I need one sugar puss. I need to stop singing that. You're my sweet tea pie. Oh, I did it. Oh, I thought this was not glass. I can kind of see it, but it's just so hard. I am confident this is not glass. If it is, oh, never mind, it is. Oh my god, I'm so high up. I did not know I was this high up. I'm gonna cut this part to this part. This is scary. Oh my god! Yep, I knew it. What is no? Oh, this is actually kind of like the real, only up that style Snail made. This is so freaking creepy. Scary. Oh. If I fall, bro, I would probably fall. I would have probably not fall anymore to the clouds. So, okay, I'm begging you. Okay, I'm begging. Yeah. Oh my god, I did it. Please don't be more. I feel like there's gonna be more because that thing is. I'm gonna guess there's more. Okay. I never done this only up before. My first time I seen it, but I never wanted to do it because I want to do it in front of. Please, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god! So I knew it. Oh my god! I almost fell. Wait, what? I know there's hats. I don't know if that said hats because hats has 3 letters. Oh my god, bro. Oh no. I'm not sure. You're my sweetie pie. I need help. Yes! I did it! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, my head is about to die in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna jump off to the clouds. I'm gonna try to. Okay, no, there's no way. No, that's it, you know. Oh, never mind. Where's no? You know what? I'm in a professional. I don't look safe. And yeah. Gina no Stasina when you should know Gina. Yeah. This finger painter. Too easy.